Now, what are the kinds of licenses? There are two types of licenses broadly, that is a exclusive license and the non-exclusive license. So, these are the two kinds of licenses. Exclusive, as a name suggests, that is we have seen in one of the module, we have requested you, right, to just check. It is in the future areas of IP, in that we have requested you to check that whether what is the meaning of exclusive and non-exclusive. Probably you have gone through that. As the name suggests, this exclusive meaning is that okay, only, right, it's the right is given to only one party, only one entity. So, one that the owner is transferring right to only one party, that is a exclusive licensing is there. And non-exclusive licensing is that you are giving the rights to more than one parties. If you are giving the rights to more than one parties, it is called as a non-exclusive license. So, it depends on that particular technology under consideration. You have to determine whether you want to do a exclusive licensing or you want to do a non-exclusive licensing. But one just observation or one just fact I can share here, that if somebody want to develop technology fast, then they opt a non-exclusive licensing, because at a time you are making availability of that particular technology to more than one entities. You are creating competition within that particular group, and because of competition, obviously that technology grows faster.